How to stop messenger calls showing on call log in iPhone. In this video, I will guide you on how to stop messenger calls showing up on call log. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now here you want to tap on Apple ID. Then tap on the option of iCloud. Now tap on See All. Here locate Messenger. Toggle it off. Now you want to find the option of Phone and FaceTime. Toggle it off as well. Once that is done, head back. Now for the second solution, you again want to head over to your settings. This time select Apps. Now select Phone. Here you should find the option of Calls on Other Devices option. If that feature is available in your iPhone, you want to use it. Now the third solution is the focus mode. For this, again head over to your settings and tap Focus. Now you can use focus mode to filter out certain types of calls, including those from apps like Messenger. Here you can use a focus mode like Do Not Disturb or create a new one. Under Allowed Notification, customize which apps can send notification and make calls. If Messenger calls still show up in your call log, you can manually delete them. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.